Hey Fit Pros, expand your network in 60 seconds. Here's how. Attend events. Conferences, workshops and seminars are great for meeting other professionals. Online communities. Join fitness related forums and social media groups. Engage and share your knowledge. Collaborate. Partner with other Fit Pros and local businesses who serve the same target audience as you on projects and events. Be genuine, this is an important one. Build authentic relationships based on trust and respect. Follow up. Follow up is key. After meeting, follow up with a friendly email or message. That's it. Networking is a powerful tool for business growth. Stay tuned for more Get Fit Fast fitness marketing tips in 60 seconds or less. And like, subscribe and comment if you found this helpful. I'll see you next time.